Hi students, today we are started English alphabet in pictures. First alphabet in pictures. Okay, look at this picture. Look, A for aeroplane. This aeroplane. Where is aeroplane? This aeroplane. Okay, A for apple. Where is apple? This apple. And A for ant. Where is ant? This. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for ant. Read now. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for ant. Good. Next. B for book. Where is book? Now tell me, where is book? This. B for book. B for banana. B for board. Read now. Speak. B for book. B for book. B for banana. B for board. Good. Next. C for cat. Where is cat? Tell me, where is cat? This cat. This cat. C for cat. And C for cow. Meow. Who says cow? Meow. This cow. C for cow. And C for crow. Which sound crow? Cuckoo. Cow, cow. Yes. Now where is sound mouse? Cat. Meow. Good. C for cat. C for cow. C for crow. Next. D for doll. Oh wow. Doll. Where is doll? This. Where is doll? This. D for doll. D for duck. Where is duck? This duck. And D for dog. Where is dog? This dog. Good. D for doll. And D for duck. D for dog. Good. Now again, A for apple. B for book. C for cat. D for doll. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B for book. B for banana. B for bird. C for cat. C for cow. C for crow. D for doll. D for duck. D for dog. Good. Next. Wow. E. Eyes. Ear and eggs. E for egg. Where is egg? E for egg. E for egg. Eyes. Where is your eyes? Tell me. Where is your eyes? Good. Have two eyes is. Where is eye? This is eyes. E for eyes. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ear. Where is your ear? Like this. Yes. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ear. Good. F for fan. Where is fan? Like cooling. Yes. F for fan. F for fox. This fox. And for fork. F for fan. F for fox. And F for frog. Good. Next. G for girl. Where is girl? Now tell me, where is girl? G for girl. G for God. G for grapes. Oh, I like grapes. G for girl. G for God. G for grapes. Yes. H for horse. This horse. Tuck, 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 tuck. This for horse. H for hat. H-U-T, hat. Hat. And this for head. Where is head? This. Where is head? This. Good. Next. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. Where is inkpot? Where is inkpot? Yes. This inkpot is inkpot. I for inkpot. I for eyes. Like cooling. I for eyes. I for igloo. Where is igloo? Now tell me, where is igloo? This is made of ice. And I for inkpot. I for eyes. I for igloo. Joker. Wow, funny. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. I like jam. You like it? Yes. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. Good. Cloud. Kite. Next. This kites. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. Who is king? This. K for kite. Kite in the sky. Where is kite? Kite flight in the sky. Good. K for kite. K for king. And K for kangaroo. This kangaroo. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for lion. Oh. L for lion. L for leg. Where is your leg? This. Tell me, where is your leg? This. Again repeat. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. I for eyes. I for igloo. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. K for kite. K for king. K for kangaroo. L for lamp. L for lion. L for leg. Wow. Next. Good. Like it? You like it this? Again repeat. A for aeroplane. F for apple. A for ant. B for book. B for banana. B for boat. C for cat. C for cow. C for crow. D for doll. D for duck. D for dog. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ear. F for fan. F for fox. F for frog. G for girl. G for God. G for grapes. Yes. H for horse. H for hat. H for hat. Good. I for inkpot. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. K for kite. K for king. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. L for lion. L for lake. Now enjoy these videos and speak and learning. Bye.